Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject Reasoning. Chapter number 15. Chapter number 15. Water image. And the name of the chapter is Water image. This is our lecture number 18. Okay. Now, water image. So, beta, what is water image? Let's see. So, water image. The reflection of an object into the water is its water image. It is an image in which the left and right side positions remain at their position. For example, remain on the same side as they are in original figure, but the top and the bottom of the figure gets interchanged. For example, top becomes bottom and the bottom becomes the top. ओके बेटा, सो वाटर इमेज में क्या होता है बेटा, जैसे मैम ने आपको मिरर इमेज में बताया था कि मिरर इमेज में हमारी जो लेफ्ट साइड की फिगर होती है वो हमें राइट हैंड साइड में दिखाई देती है और राइट हैंड साइड वाली हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में दिखाई देती है, बट इन वाटर इमेज जो ये पोजीशंस होती हैं लेफ्ट और राइट साइड की वो वैसी ही रहती हैं जैसे कि ओरिजिनल फिगर में है, बट इसमें क्या चेंज आता है, जो टॉप होता है यानी कि जो ऊपर वाला हिस्सा होता है वो हमें नीचे दिखाई देता है और जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा होता है वो हमें ऊपर दिखाई देता है। अंडरस्टूड? तो जो टॉप है वो बॉटम बन जाता है और बॉटम जो है वो टॉप बन जाता है। सो नाउ we will learn how to see alphabets in water. ठीक है, अब हम ये सीखेंगे बेटा कि हम अल्फाबेट्स को वाटर में जब देखेंगे तो हमें उसकी कैसी इमेज नजर आएगी। So let's start. Here in example number 1, it is given that there is an alphabet A, okay, and here we have what. Now we have to see that what image comes when we will look it into the water. Okay, so here options are in A part like this, in B part like this, in C part like this, and in D part like this. Okay, so solution of it is, now we have to see that which option is correct. When we will see the given alphabet A in water, it will look like option number D. Why it is so beta? Because मैम ने आपको बताया था कि जो टॉप वाला पार्ट है वो हमारा बॉटम में चला जाएगा और बॉटम वाला पार्ट टॉप में चला जाएगा। ओके, तो जब हम इस फिगर को ए को हम वाटर में देखेंगे तो ये हमें कैसा नजर आएगा, लाइक दिस। ओके, एंड दिस इमेज इज इन option number D. Okay, that's why option number D is correct. Understood beta? Option D is correct. Now, homework. Choose the correct option of water image of given alphabets. ठीक है बेटा, मैम आपको कुछ अल्फाबेट्स देंगी, आपने चूज करनी है करेक्ट ऑप्शन कि वो जब हम उसे वाटर इमेज में देखेंगे तो वो हमें कैसा अल्फाबेट नजर आएगा। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज इन होमवर्क। In question number 1, it is given B, okay, and this is water, okay. Now options are A like this, B like this, C like this, and D like this. So now what you have to do, you have to see B in the water, okay, and you have to choose the correct option of water image of B. Now question number 2, this is B, okay, and this is water. Now options are like this, B like this, in C like this, and in D like this. So whatever the option is correct, you have to choose that option. Okay, Now in question number 3 it is given F and here is the water. Okay, now you have to see what image comes when we will see it in the water, like this F, this or this. Okay, now in question number 4 it is given N. Okay, and here is the water and options are A like this, B like this, C like this and D like this. Understood beta? Question number 5 it is given S. Okay, and here is the water. Now you have to see which option is correct. This S, this S, this S or this S. Understood beta? You have to do these sums in your notebook or any page. Okay. Now the homework solution of chapter number 14, mirror image, number 2, lecture number 17. So beta, I had given you questions of mirror image. Now we will discuss those questions. Now the homework questions 1, it is given alphabet L. Okay, and here it is the mirror and our options are A like this, B like this, C like this and D like this. Okay, now we have to see beta that which mirror image is correct. So option is, now we have to see that which option is correct when we will see the given alphabet L in the mirror. Then it will look like option number D. So let's see how. यहाँ पे बेटा मैम ने आपको बताया था कि जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है वो राइट हैंड साइड पे हो जाएगा और जो राइट हैंड साइड है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. So when we will see it in the mirror, it will look like this and it is in option number D. So option D is correct. Understood beta? Now in question number 2, it is given alphabet N and now we have to see the mirror image of it. Okay, and our options are A like this, B like this, C like this and D like this. Okay, now the solution of it. Now we have to see that which option is correct. When we will see the given alphabet N in the mirror, then it will look like option number B. तो ये हमें कैसा दिखाई देगा बेटा? ऑप्शन नंबर B की तरह दिखाई देगा. So let's see how. अब हम इस N को इस मिरर में देखते हैं. It will look like this and it is in option number B. So here our answer is option B is correct. Understood beta? Now question number 3. In this it is given alphabet G. Okay, and here is the mirror. Now see what are the options. In A like this, in B like this, in C like this and in D like this. Okay, so now we will do its solution. So now we have to see that which option is correct when we will see the given alphabet G in the mirror. Then it will look like option number D. तो ये हमें कैसा दिखाई देगा बेटा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी की तरह. सो लेट्स सी. अब हम इस मिरर इमेज को, इस ये जो जी है बेटा, इसको हम मिरर इमेज में देखते हैं. इट इज लुक लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, सो इट इज इन ऑप्शन नंबर डी. सो आवर आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. ओके, now beta, in question number 4 it is given alphabet P and here is the mirror. Okay, and options are A like this, B like this, C like this and D like this. Okay, now we will do its solution. Now we have to see that which option is correct. When we will see the given alphabet P in the mirror, then it will look like option number A. ठीक है, जब हम इसे कैसे देखेंगे बेटा P को मिरर में, तो ये हमें कैसा दिखाई देगा, जैसे ऑप्शन नंबर ए है. लेट्स सी, ये जो हमारा कर्व्ड पार्ट है ये हमारे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे चला जाएगा और जो स्टैंडिंग पार्ट है वो हमारे राइट हैंड साइड पे, लाइक दिस, and it is in option number A. So our answer is option A is correct. Okay beta, option A is correct. Now in question number 5, it is given alphabet O. Okay, and now we have to see the mirror image. Okay, and options are A like this, B like this, C like this, and D like this. Okay, so now we will do its solution. So now we have to see that which option is correct. When we will see the given alphabet O in the mirror, then it will look like option number B. Why beta? Because यहाँ पे जो हमारा O अल्फाबेट है वो हमारा राइट हैंड साइड पे और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे बिल्कुल ही सिमिलर है, इसलिए ये हमें सेम टू सेम नजर आएगा when we will see it in the mirror. Okay, like this. Understood? So option B is correct. Okay beta. Thank you.